Over the last 18 months, I have purchased and reviewed many crypto miners on this channel. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I made $681 with those miners in October of 2024. This is going to be a monthly series where I'll track all of my crypto mining. Not to brag of how much I made, but to actually keep you up to date on the profitability of every single miner every month. Most of these miners that I'll be going through with you today will be DePIN miners, which stands for Decentralized Infrastructure Network. It's worth mentioning that these miners are low cost, low power, and as well as profitable, where it makes it easy for people like you and me to get involved. For all of you that are new to the channel, first off, welcome in, and for all of my returning viewers, greetings to all of you guys. With that being said, let's jump into the ROI analysis. For some context, I'm going to show you all the categories that we're going to be tracking here. We have miner name or miner type, the number of miners we have active or deployed. In a third spot, we have the name of the coin. Then we're going to be tracking the number of tokens earned, price beginning on September 30th, ending price on October 31st. We have revenue, expense, and then at the end, net profits. Here we go, October earnings. On the first place, we have NATIX. NATIX is Drive to Earn app. It is absolutely free. For the month of October, I have earned 94,000 tokens, NATIX tokens. Starting price, obviously here. And the revenue that I have made was $103.58. Expense is zero. As I mentioned, this is absolutely free to download on your phone, and you can start earning right away. NATIX Drive to Earn app aims to bootstrap dynamic maps with crypto rewards. All we're doing here is mapping our surroundings, detecting things such as road events, traffic patterns, and even road infrastructure. By us providing this data, in return they're rewarding us in NATIX tokens. NATIX had a token launch back in August. I was an early participant in NATIX, and I have received the airdrop of 544,000 NATIX tokens, which was a little bit short of $600 just for the month of August. This is my September, $124, and obviously October we have 80 and then 23, which is 103. Projects 2 and 3 are my Dimo devices. I currently have 2 Dimo devices. First Dimo device earned me 165 Dimo tokens, which was a little bit over $26, and the second device 113 tokens, which is $18.30. Both of these together just a tiny bit short of $46 per month. Unfortunately, if you want to participate in Dimo, you are going to be required to have one of these devices. I currently have this device, which was their first issued device about 18 months ago, and it cost me $300 at that time. Over the last 18 months, Dino has evolved a lot. You have more devices where you can purchase and earn, especially the LTE R1 device, which only costs $169, and it makes the same amount of tokens as the device that I currently have. They also have Dimo Macron, which costs $99. This device earns maybe half of what this device earns on a weekly basis. If you're someone that has a Tesla or EV car, you do not need to purchase a device. You can just download the app and start earning that way. Dimo stands for Digital Infrastructure of Moving Objects, and all we're doing here is connecting the Dimo device to our car via the OBD port. With Dimo devices, we're providing them with fuel life, battery health, or even oil life. If we take a look at the breakdown for the whole year of Dimo, obviously the token price has gone down significantly, but I am still bullish on this project. These 2 devices have earned me roughly over $1,400 at the current price of Dimo tokens. Miner number 4 is none other than HighMapper. Yes, I do have a HighMapper dashcam. Their ticker symbol of their coin is called Honey. I have earned a total of 823 Honey tokens, which was roughly just under $50, exactly $49.77 for the month of October. In order to earn with HighMapper, yes, you do have to have this dashcam. I currently have this dashcam right here that I purchased in December of 2023. It took 7.5 months to receive this dash cam. I received mine in August and I started running my dash cam in August. I did receive a 2,500 honey tokens for purchasing this device back in 2023, which basically paid more than half for this device. They do have another product which is supposed to be way better than this one, that earns more than this one, which is called B, and it is available to order. Supposedly they're supposed to be shipping out these devices really soon. All you're doing with these devices is collecting data such as consistent imagery of the streets you're driving. You're also providing or generating detailed road features such as signs, speed limits, things like that. And also you're mapping your surroundings. And yes, they are competing with Google Maps, but I do think that they are way better than Google Maps. Think about an address, right? Or something you want to Google and you see an image of that address from 3, 4, 6 months ago. That is Google Maps. Well, what HighMapper is trying to do, they're trying to bring those consistent images that are fresh and that are recent. One thing that I do love about HighMapper, it is not tied to a specific vehicle, so you can move this dash cam to any vehicle that you are driving. Here are my detailed earnings for HighMapper. As I mentioned, received it in August. 2,500 of these 2,795 tokens were airdrop, and my September earnings were big because I did take a trip with my family, so I had the camera running, but October earnings were $49. Miner number 5 is Helium Mobile Hotspot. Their ticker symbol is mobile. I did a video last week on this device, activating this device and deploying this device, and I showed you the earnings, what this device makes. For the month of October, I have earned a total of 186 or 100,286 mobile tokens, which was roughly about $87 for the month of October. If we take a look at the breakdown, I just received this device in September. I onboarded it, and this is the breakdown. I'm not going to go into details of what Helium Mobile Hotspot is. If you take a look at the latest video I did, you'll learn everything about Helium Mobile Hotspot. I do want to be transparent here, and with this Helium Mobile Hotspot, the expense is zero, and I'll tell you why. My family does have a Helium mobile phone carrier, actually 3 devices through them, combined with those 3 carrier phones that earn tokens as well. And these tokens actually already paid off this hotspot. These devices do cost $249, as we see down here. But if you saw my last week's video, you could have got this device for $150, including a free pie. That was their Thanksgiving sale. Miner number 6 was getgrass. The ticker symbol is grass. This I actually ran. I never made a video on this. I never promoted this. I just ran this extension on my computer, and I have received the airdrop of 354 tokens, grass tokens. When they came out a few weeks ago, the listing price was $1.12, and I have earned $396.48 with running a get grass extension. Now, important thing to mention, I do not know how much the actual earning is going to be from this point on. This was just a one-time airdrop. All this is a browser extension. Basically, all you do is download this browser extension to your computer. You run it in the background, and what it does, it sells your unused bandwidth. Now back to my monthly passive income graph. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I started tracking this from January. From January to July, I only had the 2 Dimo devices. You can see month by month what these devices have earned. Obviously, the token price of Dimo has gone down, but it is on a rise again, and it is going to perform well in this upcoming bull market. Not a financial advice, but I do think it does have a lot of room to run. Now, if we take a look at August, why do I have such a big spike? Remember, I had 2 devices going live in August. One was actually NATIX or NATX. I have received 544,000 NATX tokens, which was roughly almost $600. And I did receive that HighMapper dashcam that I have activated in August. That came with 2,500 honey tokens. September is usually, I believe, my average right now, $300 a month. Now October was a big one also because of getgrass. Obviously, getgrass I did not promote. I just ran it in the background. It is a one-time airdrop that I received of $300. So that's why this October earning was $681. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about all of these projects. There are great options to start for free. If you're someone that's interested in any of these devices, you can use the links down in the description, and I will greatly appreciate it if you like this kind of content to subscribe to the channel and follow me for more of these videos. I'll see you in the next one.